You would like to build your own database, Docker, GitHub, and so on, but you are not sure where to start it and what are the steps. So I found this repository in GitHub, which is pretty cool. It's called Build Your Own X. It's almost reached like 400k of stars in GitHub. It does have plenty of projects, maybe hundreds or more. It being categorized, for example, 3D render, augmented reality, command line interface, tools, database, Docker, front-end, maybe you are a gamer who interested in games, they will be also here, network, neural network, and so on. So let's say I'm interested in search engine, then I will go here and try, for example, in CSS or Python. But if you are like someone who is interested in shell script, they will be also get your back here, template engine, text editor, let's say VR system, and so on. So everything you could think about it, it's possibly found it here, or they are creating like a new pull request on the left side. Then we go here and most likely will be added in the future. So you could also add your own project if it doesn't exist over here. So let's see if I go up and then web server, for example, I could build my own web server using C#, Node.js, PHP, Python, Ruby, and so on. And then there is this section, it's called uncategorized. If it doesn't match up of those categories, they will be listed here. Some of them, for example, have a video. Some of them like have step-by-step. For example, if I like video coding from scratch, I will press this one. It will be this repository that's contain the step-by-steps. Let me go back. Let's say I would like to build my own cache using Kotlin. I could find this one as well. And then started to build it either or just use that tool. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. I will try to post more of those repository in the future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Stay tuned.